Meaning of czarist. Czarist. Czarist.
Czarist. Czarist. The term czarist refers to the system of government that existed in Russia before the Bolshevik Revolution in 1917, under the rule of the czars. Tsarist Russia was characterized by an autocratic political structure with the czar at the top, a strict hierarchical social order, and a mainly agrarian economy. The czars wielded absolute power and ruled over a vast empire that included many different ethnic and religious groups. This system of government ultimately proved unsustainable, leading to the overthrow of the czars and the establishment of the Soviet Union.